Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW CC headlight assembly. First, gather your tools, including a Torx driver set and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety before starting any work. You will need to partially loosen the front bumper to gain proper access to the headlight mounting points. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. With the bumper partially loosened, you can now access the headlight mounting bolts. You'll typically find 4 main bolts securing the assembly, one on top, one at the back, one underneath, and one in the corner. Use your Torx driver to carefully loosen each of these bolts. Keep track of them to avoid losing any. This step requires patience to ensure all fasteners are properly disengaged. After all the bolts are loosened, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It might feel a bit snug as it's held by alignment pins, but a steady pull should release it. Now, locate the main electrical connector at the back of the headlight and press its release tab to disconnect it. With the connector free, carefully guide the headlight assembly completely out of its housing, taking care not to scratch the surrounding paintwork. To reinstall, first connect the electrical plug to your new headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the headlight back into its housing, making sure the alignment pins engage correctly. It should sit flush against the body. Before fully securing, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Finally, secure the headlight by reinserting and tightening the 4 Torx bolts and refastening the bumper components. Test your lights to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.